Hey guys, gonna make this pretty quick. I know I haven't seen a bunch of you, haven't put any videos up, but this is probably the best way for me to explain all this. So you should have already downloaded this worksheet, and what we're gonna do is we're going to start our project of our Tays night. And what the plan is to, much like the elementaries do, where families come up on a Friday evening and they pick up supplies and go home and as a family make, create, do something. And so today and tomorrow will just be our brainstorming, and I really would encourage you to put some thought into this, and because the goal is, if we can get the approval, is to do one of these or more than one of these nights towards the end of the year. So basically what you'll be doing is you'll be coming up with 3 unrealistic ideas. Unrealistic. How unrealistic is up to you. But as you are thinking about your unrealistic ideas, remember, down here you will also be, what would it take specifically to make this unrealistic idea a reality? And I'm not looking for just money, okay? Or, a dragon on a leash. I don't know. But think of somewhat unrealistic ideas, because who knows? Maybe we can think about a way to make them realistic. So then you'll specifically write what you need to make that a reality, and you do that for your 3 unrealistic ideas. And then you'll do 3 realistic ideas, and those 3 realistic brainstorm ideas. Then you will write again, what would it take specifically to make these realistic ideas a reality. So that'll be it. I'll have the submission up tomorrow at the bottom. So take your time, because I'm very optimistic that this may actually happen, and it'll be pretty cool if yours is one of the ones that we get to do. So good luck, and if you have any questions, just shoot me a message. Thanks.